Welcome to Harbin, China's frozen wonderland and a city where Russian charm meets Arctic magic. From jaw-dropping ice festivals and glowing cathedrals to tigers in the snow and hidden Russian manors, we're counting down the 7 best places you must visit in Harbin, China. Whether you're planning a winter adventure or just love exploring the world from your screen, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this frosty fairy tale. 7. Harbin Ice and Snow World. Harbin Ice and Snow World, located in Harbin, is a breathtaking winter wonderland that captures the imagination of millions each year. As one of the largest ice and snow festivals in the world, it transforms the city into a glittering dreamscape of frozen artistry. Towering ice castles, intricate snow sculptures, and full-scale replicas of world landmarks, all crafted entirely from blocks of ice and snow, are illuminated with dazzling LED lights, casting an ethereal glow across the frosty landscape. It's a place where the cold becomes magical and creativity knows no bounds. Each structure at Harbin Ice and Snow World is a testament to human ingenuity and artistic expression. From delicate carvings that resemble lace to towering palaces that stretch skyward, the level of detail and craftsmanship is astounding. The ice is sourced from the nearby Songhua River, known for its crystal-clear quality, which gives the sculptures a translucent beauty when lit from within. At night, the entire park lights up in a spectrum of colors, turning the frozen city into a surreal spectacle of light and ice. Beyond its stunning visual appeal, the atmosphere is alive with winter fun and cultural celebration. Visitors can enjoy ice slides, winter sports, and themed performances, all set against the surreal backdrop of frozen artistry. 6. Central Street. Central Street, also known as Zhongyang Pedestrian Street, is the vibrant heart of Harbin, a place where European charm meets northeastern Chinese culture in a beautifully preserved blend of history and modern life. Stretching over a kilometer long, this cobblestone street is flanked by stunning examples of Baroque and Russian-influenced architecture, offering a unique glimpse into Harbin's rich past as a crossroads of east and west. As you stroll along, the elegant facades, intricate balconies, and old-world details transport you to another era, making every step a visual delight. What makes Central Street truly captivating is its atmosphere. In winter, snow blankets the street in a soft white layer, turning it into a picturesque promenade lit by warm golden lights. Street performers, local vendors, and open-air cafes add energy and charm, while shops selling Russian dolls, Chinese crafts, and European confections invite visitors to linger. The street is especially magical during the Ice and Snow Festival, when ice sculptures and festive decorations transform it into a glowing winter fairy tale. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Zhongyang Pedestrian Street offers a cultural experience that reflects Harbin's unique identity. From sampling local specialties like Russian-style bread and Harbin sausages, to visiting historic landmarks like the modern hotel, every corner of the street tells a story. Whether you're there for a leisurely walk, a bit of shopping, or to soak in the ambience, Central Street captures the soul of Harbin. Elegant, eclectic, and full of life. 5. St. Sophia Cathedral. St. Sophia Cathedral in Harbin stands as a majestic symbol of the city's unique blend of Russian and Chinese heritage. Built in 1907 by Russian expatriates during the time of the Trans-Siberian Railway's eastward expansion, this grand Eastern Orthodox church is a masterpiece of Neo-Byzantine architecture. Its soaring green onion dome, intricate red brick facade, and ornate detailing make it one of the most iconic and visually striking landmarks in Harbin. The cathedral's grandeur, set against the often snowy northern skyline, gives it a fairy tale quality that captivates visitors year-round. Walking up to St. Sophia feels like stepping into a different time and place. The building's rich textures, from its rounded arches to its tall bell towers, evoke the old-world charm of Imperial Russia. Inside, although no longer functioning as a religious site, the cathedral has been transformed into a museum showcasing Harbin's multi-ethnic history, particularly the Russian influence that shaped much of the city's culture and architecture. The interior, with its high vaulted ceilings and soft lighting, still retains a sense of solemn beauty and reverence. What makes St. Sophia Cathedral especially enchanting is its role as a cultural and emotional touchstone in Harbin. Surrounded by a lively square filled with music, pigeons, and people from all walks of life, it offers a peaceful oasis in the midst of urban bustle. Whether admired for its architectural brilliance, its historical significance, or its serene atmosphere, St. Sophia Cathedral is a stunning tribute to the fusion of cultures that defines Harbin. 4. Siberian Tiger Park. Siberian Tiger Park in Harbin is a rare and thrilling destination where visitors can witness the raw beauty and power of one of the world's most endangered majestic big cats, the Siberian tiger. Sprawled across a vast natural habitat on the banks of the Songhua River, the park is home to hundreds of these incredible creatures. Unlike traditional zoos, the park offers a safari-style experience, allowing guests to drive through spacious enclosures where tigers roam freely, often coming astonishingly close to the vehicles. The beauty of the park lies not only in the chance to see these powerful animals up close, but also in its mission to protect and preserve a species on the brink of extinction. With their thick fur, piercing eyes, and graceful strength, the Siberian tigers embody the wild spirit of Northeast Asia. Especially in winter, when snow blankets the landscape, the tigers look even more striking, orange and black coats standing out boldly against the white terrain, a breathtaking sight that feels like a scene from a nature documentary. Beyond the thrill of seeing tigers in their natural behavior, playing, stalking, or lounging in the snow, the park also features other big cats like white tigers, lions, and leopards. Educational exhibits and breeding programs highlight the importance of conservation, making a visit to Siberian Tiger Park both awe-inspiring and meaningful. It's a place where beauty meets purpose, offering a rare glimpse into the wild heart of northern China and a powerful reminder of the need to protect our planet's most magnificent creatures. 3. Zhaolin Park Ice Lantern Show. Zhaolin Park in Harbin becomes a magical wonderland each winter during the Ice Lantern Show, one of the city's most beloved traditions and a key part of the Harbin International Ice and Snow Festival. As night falls and temperatures drop, the park comes alive with thousands of glowing ice lanterns, hand-carved sculptures made from crystal-clear ice and lit from within by colorful lights. The result is a breathtaking landscape of luminous castles, animals, mythical creatures, and traditional Chinese motifs, all shimmering in the crisp winter air. What makes the Ice Lantern Show at Zhaolin Park especially beautiful is its enchanting atmosphere. Unlike the massive scale of Harbin Ice and Snow World, Zhaolin Park offers a more intimate, storybook-like setting. Twinkling lights reflect off icy surfaces, and the entire park glows with a gentle, dreamlike radiance. Families, couples, and travelers stroll through winding paths surrounded by intricate sculptures, each piece more whimsical or awe-inspiring than the last. The quiet crunch of snow underfoot and the soft glow of lanterns create a peaceful, almost surreal experience. The Ice Lantern Show also celebrates the artistry and cultural heritage of Harbin. Many of the lanterns feature designs inspired by Chinese folklore, zodiac animals, and seasonal festivals, blending tradition with creative expression. Local artisans spend weeks crafting these delicate works of art, using chisels and saws to shape ice into detailed, glowing masterpieces. Visiting Zhaolin Park during the Ice Lantern Festival is not just a visual treat. It's a journey into a world of light, color, and winter magic that captures the very soul of Harbin's frozen beauty. 2. Volga Manor. Volga Manor, located just outside Harbin, is a stunning cultural retreat that transports visitors to the charm and elegance of old Russia, right in the heart of northeast China. Nestled along the Ashi River and surrounded by serene woodlands and snowy landscapes in winter, the manor is both a romantic escape and a cultural treasure. Designed to resemble a 19th-century Russian town, Volga Manor is filled with intricate wooden buildings, onion-domed churches, and colorful facades that reflect traditional Russian architectural styles, all set against a backdrop of natural beauty. What makes Volga Manor truly enchanting is its ability to capture a harmonious blend of art, history, and nature. As snow blankets the grounds in winter, the entire area transforms into a fairy tale scene. Frozen rivers, white-capped roofs, and frosted trees creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. The St. Nicholas Church, with its towering spires and wooden detail, is a particular highlight, glowing warmly against the snowy landscape and offering a striking contrast to the icy surroundings. Beyond its visual appeal, Volga Manor is a place rich in cultural experiences. Visitors can enjoy Russian folk music performances, sample traditional Russian cuisine, or explore the small art museum housed in the manor's main building. Horse-drawn sleigh rides and winter festivals add to the charm, making it feel like a page from a Russian storybook come to life. 1. Sun Island Scenic Area. Located on the north bank of the Songhua River in Harbin, is a picturesque retreat that showcases the serene and natural beauty of the region year-round. Spanning lush meadows, tranquil lakes, and dense woodlands, the island offers a peaceful contrast to the urban energy of the city. It's a place where nature, art, and culture come together, inviting visitors to slow down and soak in its gentle charm. Whether you're walking along shaded paths in summer or admiring frozen landscapes in winter, during the colder months, Sun Island transforms into a spectacular winter paradise as it hosts the Harbin International Snow Sculpture Art Expo. Unlike the glowing ice creations at Ice and Snow World, the sculptures here are carved entirely from snow, massive, pure white works of art that depict everything from mythical creatures to architectural marvels. These snow sculptures are incredibly detailed and awe-inspiring, some towering several stories high, set against a backdrop of frosty trees and clear blue skies. In warmer seasons, Sun Island reveals a different kind of beauty: flower-filled gardens, gentle waterways, and open green spaces perfect for picnics or boating. Russian-style villas and charming art installations add cultural flavor, while the Siberian Tiger Park and Swan Lake within the area offer additional attractions for nature lovers. And there you have it, 7 incredible places that make Harbin a true winter wonderland and a cultural gem like no other. Whether it's the glowing ice castles of Ice and Snow World, the peaceful charm of Sun Island, or the historic beauty of St. Sophia Cathedral, Harbin has something unforgettable for every kind of traveler. Which spot would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your travel dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.